Hi students, welcome to this course, PLC Automation, an introduction to programmable logic controller. I am Professor Yao. Programming on-off inputs to produce on-off outputs. Outputs, coils, indicators, and others. The keywords: output signals, external devices, internal logic, leakage current. Coils in an internal PLC program are related to the output signals that are sent to external devices. An output is energized through the output module when its corresponding coil numbers is turned on in the PLC ladder diagram. Note that not all coils in the program have a corresponding output. Many coils are used for internal logic only. A typical output scheme is shown in Figure 5.3. The output device's voltage and current requirements must be matched for the output module values. The figure shows 120 volt AC used for the outputs. Some typical output devices for coil outputs are shown in Figure 5.4. A key point mentioned previously is the presence of a small output module leakage current when PLC output is off. The leakage current must be considered if the output device is sensitive to a low value of the voltage. The output devices might not turn off when the output module is technically in the off state. This is the typical PLC output scheme. This is a typical PLC output devices: DC motors, coils, etc. Operational procedures. The keywords: discrete operational procedure, toggle switches, limit switches, identification numbers, external interconnections outlined in the edit mode, the cursor. Suppose that you wish to program and connect a PLC to accomplish the following discrete operational procedure. A relay coil is to actuate when two toggle switches and one limit switch are actuated. The first step is to assign individual PLC identification numbers to the input and the outputs. Input normally have the prefix I or in. Outputs normally have the prefix O or control relay, CR. Step 2. Sketch a ladder logic diagram to represent the operational circuit. This is shown in Figure 5.5. Step 3. Figure out how the inputs and output will be connected to the input and output modules. Assume an 8 terminals input module and an 8 terminal output modules. The connection from the inputs and outputs then are made the made according to Figure 5.6. Note that each component is connected to one of the modules. No external interconnections are made. Finally, the ladder diagram must be entered into the CPU by means of keyboard. A general procedure for entering the program in ladder format is: clear the PLC program memory with the CPU on stop. The procedure will be outlined on a screen manual or in the operation manual for the PLC. Insert a relay control line as follows in the edit mode. Push the numeric open contact key. Push the input key. Push 001 numerical keys. Push the enter key. The contact should appear on the monitor. And then move the cursor one space to the right. Repeat steps A and B. Push the 002 numerical key. Push the enter key. Move the cursor one more space to the right. And then repeat the process for 003. Continue the line to right. Push the coil output key. The coil should appear on the monitor. Push 001 numeric keys. Push enter. If the line now looks correct, check it. Push the insert ladder key and then enter. The resulting PLC diagram should look as shown in Figure 5.7 when the PLC switch is set to run. The circuit will operate as outlined. This picture shows the ladder logic diagram for relay output. This shows connection diagram for Figure 5.1 circuit. This shows PLC screen ladder for Figure 5.5 circuit. Homework: handwriting all keywords and submitting them to Coach Facebook. Just do the online quiz and see you next time.